What is up, YouTube? It's yo girl Mackenzie here for her first YouTube video. So now I'm just gonna start off by showing you some of my profiles, my room, my closet, my friends, and yeah, just showing you around my MSP. That's gonna be the thumbnail, showing you around my MSP. 100%. Okay, so let it load in. Let's change this to recording for YouTube. Oh, and ignore my ratchet looking pajamas. I wear those every night. I'll just backspace my 19K left. Enter. Okay, that is set. Let's check my friend request. I didn't even know I had one. Got through. Okay. Okay. No, wait, that was a best friend request. Dang, that's messed up. Okay, well, let's start off by my profile. Bang, 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 baby, I gotcha. Ooh. Yeah, I'm like, I get songs stuck in my head a lot. You'll probably hear me singing a lot of songs, so there's like, I'm warning you now, if you don't like music, don't watch my videos. 100%. But before you leave from watching this video because you don't like music, make sure you click that subscribe button and like the video, like 100%, yo. Okay, so I have all of these except 3 of them, and you wanna know what those 3 are? These ones. So I hope by like making YouTube videos, like it gets me up to a lot more than what I have. Because, like, I've had those just empty for years, and then I have all of this open, like, hi, yes, hi. I do account giveaways. I rare trade and everything. Oh, and this is a VIP ticket I've had for 1 week by Panda Heart for winning a competition. Okay, this is my best friend. This is my best friend. Like, she knows my passwords to everything and everything. Yeah, she's probably gonna ask you to sub to her YouTube channel. Just wait. As I've already said, I am a rare trader. I really don't recycle. I recycle like the trashy things I get from leveling up. Told you. Sub to me and her. Oh, you actually said me this time. You actually said me this time. That's not how you spell time. Oh, well. Yeah, Kaylin McSbaby MSP. Add her at Kaylin McSbaby. Sub to her at Kaylin McSbaby MSP. XD, yeah, I saw that coming. Let's go to my room. I like take really good pride in my room. Like, I actually have it decorated, unlike most people. So yeah, while that loads in, I'm level 17. You should auto me so I can level up. 54 diamonds and 19K star coins. Yeah, this is my bedroom. I have 3 pets. As you can see, I have 1, 2, and then I have a blue one that is in my kitchen right there. Yeah, like 100%, yo. Is it just me, or do you realize that she's not walking? Like, she was just glitching across the floor. I want to see if it does it again. No, she's actually walking this time. Walking this time. So this is called the vlog room. This is my bedroom. That's the garden. And that's the living room, as you can tell. I have 3-month VIP. I'm a jury. Yes, a jury. Lastly, I'm just gonna be showing you my dressing room. 100%, yo. I have a lot of stuff. This could take a minute. Or 2 if you know what I mean. Yeah. I have a lot of clothes. No, I'm not gonna look. I'm not looking right now. I have 11 pages of just shirts and dresses. Dang, I have 12. I was 1 off. I know exactly I have 4 pages of these. 5 pages of shoes, 10 pages of animations, and I think 7 pages of hair. I don't really know. Yeah, 7. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Drop a like and subscribe before you go watch some other MSP video. Yeah, go sub to my best friend, Kaylin Mixed Baby MSP. Don't forget to sub to me too, and bye!